We've talked about models in other videos, so in this video we're going to take a look at how to import an investment model into AssetBook. So here I am at the home page after logging into AssetBook. The first place I'm going to go is my Administration tab, and then Models. And we could overwrite one of our existing investment models using the import feature, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new model from scratch. So to do that, I'm going to click on the New Model button. And the first thing I want to do is go ahead and give this a name and save it. And again, the only type of model that can be imported into AssetBook is the investment model. The other types of models are the class models. So to begin the import process, I first need to have a CSV file already created containing the symbols, the target percentage, and the tolerance percentage before I can import it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that CSV file will look like. I have it here saved on my desktop, and it is nothing more than a list of symbols, target percentages, and tolerances. So let's go ahead and go back to AssetBook, and to begin importing, I'm going to click on the Browse button. I'm going to locate my CSV file and click Open, and then I'm going to click Import Model. And here I can see this is the model that I've just created. When importing models, it's important to structure your CSV file correctly. A few things that you should be aware of are that the target tolerance percentage needs to be entered into this spreadsheet. If nothing is entered for the tolerance, a default tolerance of 2% will be applied to that particular investment. And we can see that with our Google option here. No tolerance was entered, so a default of 2% was applied to that investment. In order for the tolerance to be 0, that needs to be specified within our CSV file. One more thing to be aware of is that if a symbol is not found within AssetBook, a new investment will be created. For instance, if Google was not already in our database, a new investment called Model-GOOG will be created within the system, and then it will be added to the model. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what that would look like in the system. So I'm going to go back to my CSV file. I'm going to add a symbol that I'm pretty sure does not exist in the system, and let's go ahead and give this a percentage, and I'll just make this one 20%, and let's go ahead and give it a tolerance of 5%. Save our changes, and let's re-import that CSV file. And you can see now that has overwritten our previous model. And here is our new investment. It is called Model Import hyphen followed by the symbol. So that is a new investment that has been automatically created within the system because it was not found within the system during the import.